today this video comes to you in collaboration with Sewtech. They sent me one of their 8-in-1 magnetic hoop kit systems, and here I am just showing you that it's simple. All you do is add those brackets, you screw them in on the side of this main piece, which is going to be universal for all of your hoops to clip into, which I will show you later. But here I am just doing a little test run to make sure that this fits into my frame, and it does on my BAI Mirror. Okay, it slid in, no issues. I screwed it in the back on like the 5th and 6th screw on each side. So yeah, very simple. So you take that metal bottom piece of each of your hoops and you unscrew this black piece here, okay? You line up your 3 circles or ovals, 1, 2, 3, and then you just tighten. Okay, and that's how you switch out the size. It's just so simple. That's how you switch out the size of all of your magnetic hoops. And I'm going to use this small one here. I think this might be like a 4x4, don't quote me, but it's one of the smaller ones. And I'm going to show you how strong this magnet is. Okay, it literally caught my fingers in there. It's super strong. I was really impressed. I'm going to use 2 layers of tearaway stabilizer, and I hooped a napkin. And here I am, once again, just sliding this back onto the BAI Mirror. It's very simple to use, you guys. I was amazed at how easy this is, okay? So I chose a fairly simple design. It's just going to be a letter D monogram. But I also have to set up my machine to specify the size of this hoop, okay? So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to add a size. I chose a square model, and here I am just like measuring it. I'm doing it the manual process, so I don't have to guesstimate or anything like that. So you can see right now where it's trying to center me way over here on the left, and I need to bring it over and size the hoop for my machine. So that's what I'm doing here. It was a very simple process to do. All right, and those are the specifications. I actually did change it to a 70 by 60. All right, but anyways, we got it all set up. And here I am just showing you guys that now that red dot is in the middle, we are good to go. We are going to start our embroidery. There's our letter D. And once again, we're nice and centered. All right, so here we are all finished. This took less than 5 minutes to embroider that very simple stitch. It's a very dainty file that I purchased from Etsy, and I wanted to keep the dainty look with the type of style of napkin. This will be really cute on someone's wedding day, don't you guys think? So anyway, I'm just showing you how to unhoop it. You literally just pull it apart. Again, it's tearaway stabilizer. I don't have my phone mount, so that's why I'm trying to film this thing with one hand. So I do apologize about the angles and everything. But yeah, it was very simple to do. You pull off that tearaway, and this is the final results. And I feel that the magnetic hoop kept everything nice and sturdy, and it's actually a really great product. So check them out. I'll leave their link below. Bye, guys.